This is my favorite part of Sanur. There's so many nice restaurants around, like this one for example, and you can face the ocean. Today is very windy, so I hope so you can hear me properly. And well, I'm gonna show you this part of Sanur today. So basically you have restaurants like this by the beach, facing directly the ocean, and well, many of them actually everywhere around. Also the construction of the promenade, reconstruction of the promenade is under the progress again. They're gonna make it equal, because that was the old side, this was the new side, and they're gonna make it equal like a one. So that's gonna be cool actually. Very high tide in Sanur and very windy. Also, I don't know, it's 4:45 p.m. It seems like kind of quieter, like maybe because it's wind. Many people don't like when it's windy, afraid of being sick or something. Masuk angin for the local people. Popular Lila Pantai, this is a very popular spot also, especially for the expats and local people. Currently local people, I can see many of them, but yeah, there's some expats over here. I mean the foreigner tourists probably. And yeah, we are going into the direction of the more restaurants and more hotels. Also the reconstruction of the promenade probably don't helping with anything currently. But as I'm saying, always better later than never. You know what I mean, guys? So they are making, oh actually I'm gonna show you, this is the totally different level of making the promenade. Looks much better than the last time they making this one that I'm stepping now. So they're gonna make with the metal construction here, that's actually cool, looks solid next to the 8 pier. Looks solid, that's for sure. Hopefully it's gonna be very solid at the end. They're gonna finish. Also suddenly the waves were very high or something, and there's so much sand on the promenade what was the brand new, so it's kind of difficult to cycling right now. As you saw actually, the ladies have to go walking around. Meanwhile, oh, jet skis are going. I will zoom it for you a little bit. So many nice jet skis companies nowadays in Bali, by the way. They have a brand new jet skis. So cool. Normally I wanna try. Another restaurant just next to the Intercontinental. It's called the Tapa. Kinda new. They opened like a few months ago. Pretty popular for the expats community. If you would like to meet some expats who living in Sanur, come to this place during the lunch dinner time. Little shot for the jet skis. Very windy today, you can see the waves. Also I was hoping it's gonna be a little bit more foreigner tourists around walking today by the beach, but maybe because it's windy, not sure. Do you guys really like, if it's windy like this today, you don't like to bank on the beach? For me it's so nice, I mean, so refreshing. Fresh breeze from the ocean. But I don't know, let me know guys, what do you think about that? They are local warungs, main entrance to the Sanur beach. This is some brand new restaurant, Studia di Pantai or something like that. Also many surfers coming here, docking their boats, stuff like this. So they have access to the beach as well. There was the construction what I actually documenting in the past months. There are public toilets. There is no more warung, however they put some sunbeds, and this is the restaurant. Tropical vibe, little bit like a Canggu vibe actually in Sanur nowadays, with the local name. I'll show you actually local people mostly here, only local people actually, not mostly, I don't see any foreigners here. But local people like the places like this actually, more even than the foreigners. So wavy situation on Sanur beach today. I just easy vlog today guys. Gonna show you a little bit of everything. Gonna go now to show you the hotels up to Prama probably. Gonna show you what's cracking today here in Sanur. I'm surprised a little bit as they opened a restaurant like this. That's cool, why not? And the public toilets, that's actually nice, very nice, but pity as there is no warungs over here anymore. So similar situation is going here in Sanur, started actually here in Sanur and then last week in Canggu also, so it's touching every single area of Bali. It looks like, seems like that's kind of big project from the government. Mostly in simple words, they are too close to the beach. They couldn't be on this side of the promenade. they are not officially registered, so they don't paying taxes, and they are officially not existing. They are temporary warungs, what they shouldn't be here. They was in the past at least 50 years everywhere around the Bali, so everybody have a so sentimental to this, but actually they never should be here. So a lot of changes coming to Bali, like I already mentioned so many times, and either we like it or not, that's what's going on around. And well, let's see what's Bali gonna look like in the next upcoming months and years, especially in next 10 years, guys. Meanwhile, in case if you're interested, doesn't really look optimistic, like a huge construction site without workers. Everything left apart, like a parts of the construction, trees, rubbish, fundaments on the middle. Actually, one side of the promenade is here, one is here. There is 7 hectares of land for such a big amount of money. What was empty and nobody never bought this. So this part of Sanur is very like, I don't know, Jack and Fish was there. Somebody put some tables now. Somebody really needs to make something serious here, otherwise it really doesn't look optimistic, you know. One more time, either we like it or not, at the end Bali is changing a lot, guys. Especially Sanur area and Canggu area is changing a lot. For the few decades, especially in Sanur, nothing was going on. Now is so many changes. For many people of you, especially guys, it's the big shock, but that's how it is, right? Quick view of the Puri Santrian Hotel also has changed. It actually looks pretty nice. There are some people by the pool, definitely I can see, but still very quiet. I'm not sure because it's the weather, or maybe still it's just simply quiet. Also been a while when I was here last time. Also, when I'm walking here in Sanur today, very lazy vlog, like I already mentioned once, I'm just thinking why so much changes is going on in Canggu. Of course, Canggu is like a hype place, the most popular place in Bali right now. Everybody know that. So it's pretty normal price of development. And then a lot of things is happening in Sanur, actually, what for literally for 50 years not much was happening here. And then Kuta, Legian and Seminyak is just stuck in the moment. So this development in Bali is so huge, but in the very weird way. I mean, I don't know, just my personal thoughts and observation. You can let me know, guys, what do you think? Also, I heard the rumors. I don't know where I heard these rumors, or I was dreaming about these rumors or something. Somebody said as the Kuta, actually, where is the wall on the beach in Kuta and the Warungs, they're gonna make something like in Pattaya or in Pattaya, in Pattaya, in Phuket, where is the beach and the huge promenade without the wall, and there are some stalls on this one, or similarly like in Da Nang where I was in Vietnam. But I think that was only rumor. I don't know, maybe I was just dreaming or something like that. Either way, it's just my imagination, or I was just really dreaming about that, or it's the real idea, and potentially one day will happen like this in Bali, in Kuta up to Seminyak. I'm just very curious, what was your expression? What do you think about this idea to having like a huge promenade there and looks like in other countries? Or you prefer the wall and the local boys selling the bintangs over there? I'm very curious about that, so you can discuss that in the comment section, guys. And ladies and gentlemen, at the end we have a famous Prama hotel in Sanur. I'm gonna tell you the swimming pool is open right now. It was closed forever. I'm not sure if actually it's like, yeah, not many people around. Swimming pool is open, it's clean. The hotel, there are actually 2 guests in the hotel, so but Bamboo Bar in Sanur looks slightly more optimistic. There are some families, some kids, and there are some people running around, and security guy. The beach situation also by the swing, and actually the smaller pool is slightly more busier. There are some tourists around, there are some people around, tourists around, and yeah, this is also the one of the hotels where kids friendly. As you see, there are slides and stuff like this, guys. So it was like a little bit lazy vlog today. Also not much really happening around, but I like Sanur personally, and I know you guys also like it. So here we go. Also been a while when I was here. Tomorrow maybe probably more optimistic. Maybe I'm gonna go to Canggu somewhere. I don't know if you like it. However, there always something is happening nowadays in Bali. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya. Thank you so much.